Hi student, welcome to online classes of South Point English Boarding School. Me, Abdesh Kumar Sharma. I am going to teach chemistry of class 10. Firstly, what is chemistry? Chemistry is the branches of the science that deal the chemical composition, their reaction, and the manufacturing of the compounds. Chemistry is classified into three parts, that is physical chemistry, chemistry, physical, inorganic, organic. Physical chemistry. In physical chemistry, we study about the physical phenomena. It means that is directly related to the physics. But in organic chemistry, in which we study about 119 elements that is found in nature but not in living cell. That is inorganic chemistry. In but organic chemistry, those type of element that is found in living cell or living organism, that is organic chemistry. So in organic chemistry is defined as the chemistry or branch of the chemistry in which we study about hydrocarbon and their derivatives. Derivative means their byproduct or products. So we are going to start organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is composed with 9 elements. Mainly 9 elements. That is main constituents are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. You know. So organic chemistry is very useful in present times, or because organic chemistry contains nearly 2 billion compounds or more than 2 billion compounds that is utilized in our daily life, like is for a composition of the cloth, that is the also part of organic chemistry, because that is formed from synthetic fiber, and then synthetic fiber is come out from organs. Similarly, that is marker is a type of plastic that is also part of organic chemistry. So branches of the organic chemistry is also wide as like as the branches of the science, you know. And organic chemistry is classified into two parts, that mainly known as carbon, and carbon when combined with hydrogen it forms hydrocarbon. Carbon and hydrogen to form hydrocarbon. And hydrocarbon again classified into two types, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. In saturated hydrocarbon, we study about alkane. And unsaturated hydrocarbon, it is again classified into two parts, alkene and alkyne. So student, firstly we discussed about alkane and saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon those types of hydrocarbon that is bonded by single covalent bond. You know, covalent bond is very stronger than electrovalent bonds because it is formed by the sigma bond, and sigma bond is formed due to the overlapping of the electrons. That is very hard to broke and stable. So it is stronger than the other type of the bond, and it is contains only one single bond between carbon and carbon atom. So it is more stable, less reactive towards the chemical reaction. That is bonded by single covalent bonds, which is very stronger than the electrovalent bonds because it is overlapping bonds and it is less available for electrophiles, due to which it is very stronger, stable and less reactive towards the chemical reaction. Saturated hydrocarbon is formulated by formula CnH2n plus 2. Here C stands for carbon and N stands for the number of carbon atom. Similarly, H stands for the hydrogen and N stands for the number of hydrogen. So we have to formulate the alkane using the formula CnH2n plus 2. For example, C equal to 1, then CnH2n plus 2, where C into 1, H 2 into 1 plus 2. C 1 H 2 and plus 2. CH4 and CH4 is methane. Similarly, C equal to 2, then CnH2n plus 2, C into 2, H into 2 plus 2, C2 H4 plus 2 equal to C2 H6, and it is known as ethane. So the saturated hydrocarbon is more useful than unsaturated hydrocarbon, and it is widely used in our general life, that is olefin, paraffins, petroleum and other products. How to write the molecular formula of such type of the alkanes? So we have to use that some technique for writing the name of saturated hydrocarbon. The student, firstly note all the number of hydrocarbons that is in writing the formula of alkane. number of carbon atom 1 4 math 2 4 8 3 prop 4 Butte 5 4 paint 6 4 H 7 4 F 8 4 oct 9 4 non 10 4 cake and so on. Here some technique for writing molecular formula. Alkane, all plus ANE, all plus ANE, and it has single bond. So if the carbon number is 1, then add math instead of all, like as math plus n, and it become methane. Similarly, if the carbon number is 2, then write instead of all or math is it, and it become ethane. If the carbon number is 3, then write here prop, and it becomes propane. Hello student, I am going to stop my speech, but your work is that write the molecular formula of alkanes from carbon number 1 to 10. Okay, I am going to my speech. Okay, thank you, bye.